Welcome back to Computer Science Concepts. This is Episode 2 of Unit 1, Introduction to Computer Science. In the last episode, we talked about what computer science really is, not just coding, but the science of solving problems. Today, we're answering the next big question. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions written for a computer to follow. Just like a recipe tells you what steps to take to bake a cake, a program tells a computer what steps to take to solve a problem or perform a task. However, unlike a human chef, the computer won't figure it out if you skip a step. It's important to be explicit, thorough, clear, and well-ordered when creating the instructions. Otherwise, the computer will do something completely unexpected. Let me share another analogy to help explain how to apply these practices. Imagine you want to make toast. You would do something like put the bread in the toaster, push the lever down, wait, and then remove the toast. That's a human-friendly version. A program would need something way more specific, like check if bread is inserted, if not, insert slice, set toaster level to 3, begin countdown, raise toast when time is done. That's the level of detail and precision that computers expect. So what makes a program work? Programs include 3 major parts. Inputs, which is data or actions that it receives, like pressing a button or numbers that come in. Processing, which is the logic or rules that it follows, like making calculations or comparisons. And finally, outputs, what it produces, like results on a screen or saved files. We'll explore more about all of these in later episodes, but every program follows this basic idea: input, then process, then output. I'll give some real-world examples of programs you probably interact with on a daily basis. Some examples include your calculator app, a website login form, and even a music player. So all of these include a set of instructions written by someone, stored inside a machine, like your phone or computer, and executed exactly as programmed. Some programs are very simple and just a few lines of code, but others, like Google or Fortnite, are made of millions. So why do I bring up programs and what they are? Well, understanding what a program is doesn't just prepare you for writing code, it also changes how you approach building anything with a computer. Later on, when you actually get into coding, this understanding is going to help you to break down problems into clear, logical steps, decide what inputs your program needs and what outputs it should produce, and figure out how to organize instructions so the computer does exactly what you want. Every bug you encounter, every algorithm you write, and every system you design, it all comes down to what instructions you gave and how you structured them. So when you understand what a program is and how they're structured, everything else in computer science will make a lot more sense. So next time you open an app, or play a game, or press a button on a machine, remember, behind each of those things is a program, a carefully designed set of instructions built by someone who started right where you are. And soon, you'll be the one writing those instructions too. In the next episode, we'll explore the building blocks of those instructions. What is an algorithm? If you're still curious about the rest of computer science, from how we solve problems to how we write code, like and subscribe to Base Case so you don't miss a single episode. Thanks for watching.